I got a friend, his name is Dennis. He always thought he had a great big heart. Every time you seen old Dennis, he is always playing with his guitar. And today is the day that the Lord sent him to this world. Bless us all. So I just want to say happy birthday, Dennis. And I reckon that's all.
Pre, happy birthday. Wish you all the best.
Pre, tol, sumapit na pala ang iyong ginintuang araw. At sa pagpapala ng ating Panginoon ay nariyan ka pa rin, malakas, sigla. Sana patuloy ka pang pagpalain nating Panginoon. Mula sa araw ng biniyayaan ka ng ginintuang liwanag ng ating Panginoon ay patuloy ka pa rin sa iyong mga advokasya dyan sa Kuwait. At sana ay magpatuloy pa rin yan ang mga pagtulong mo katulad ng ginawa mo sa akin. Palagay ko naman siguro sa mga araw na ito ay sarado na ang parmasya Malay. Salamat sa lahat ng pagtulong, pre. At sana bigyan ka pa ng maraming biyaya kasama na iyong pamilya. Wala naman akong kailangan pang sabihin. Pahabol ko lang, nakalimutan kong batiin si Maring Les. Happy birthday, Maring Les. March 26 yun, nakaligtaan ko. At yun lang. At enjoy kayo dyan.
Hello. Isang pinagpalang araw sa'yo, pare ko. Sabi sa akin na magbigay daw ako ng konting message para sa yung kaarawan. Actually, malaki yung message ko, mahaba. Kaya lang, papalilitin ko na lang. Happy birthday, pre. Hindi, okay. Actually, sa taong lubos na naging malapit sa akin, isa ka sa taong naging malagang parte ng aking buhay. Nais kitang batiin ng maligayang kaarawan. Sana maging masaya ka at yun, laging healthy at be what you call this, in a light to others. Continue as being a light to others. Yun lang, pare ko. Happy birthday muli. Happy 58th birthday. Welcome to the club.
Ayan, ready. Happy birthday, Kuya Dennis. I wish you all the best. And of course, sana good health palagi. And ayan yung tugtog mo. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo, of course. At sana mas marami pang pulburon dyan. Happy birthday, Kuya. Happy 50th birthday po.
Lad Dennis, happy birthday. Cheers. Good luck, lad. At wish ko sa'yo good health.
Hello, Brad. Happy 50th birthday to you, and I wish you more birthdays to come. Stay healthy as always. God bless, and I wish you good luck on your future plans, and always stay pogi also. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Piolo Pascual ng Kuwait. Happy birthday, Kuya Dennis. Matanda ka na. Kaya mag-ingat. Huwag mambabae. More birthdays to come. Happy birthday.
Hi, Kuya Dennis. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best. And may your birthday be the start of a year filled with new opportunities, accomplishments, and endless joy. The day is all yours. Have fun, and wishing you many happy memories on your birthday.
Good morning mga katropang shuttlers. Si Master Sesto ng Kuwait, ng tropang shuttlers. Magandang umaga mga pinagpalang tao sa Kuwait. Narito to naman tayo sa araw na to upang batiin natin ang isang pinagpalang tao sa araw na to, kundi si Dennis Malay. Happy birthday, Dennis. We wish you more life and healthy. Sana patuloy kang pasiglahin ng ating Panginoong Diyos at matupad ang iyong mga pangarap sa mga darating na taon. More power to you, Dennis. At nandito si Alan. Alan.
Happy birthday.
Si Tony.
Happy birthday.
Yung mga katropang.
Happy birthday, Golden Boy. Yan, napaka-special itong araw na to para sa iyo kasi you're celebrating your 50th birthday. Wow. Congrats, pre. And I pray na marami pang birthday na dumating sa buhay mo. Kasi alam ko, you're one of a kind. And you deserve everything. Lalo na sa araw na to. Kasi alam ko how good, kind, and loving person you are. Kaya nga, you deserve talaga lahat ng mga gandang bagay sa buhay mo. And I pray na patuloy ka magpapaligaya sa pamilya mo, sa mga kasama mo, and good health also. I continue to pray na magkaroon ka ng maayos, malusog na pangangatawan. And also, sabi ko nga, napakabait ng tao. If there's one person that I can count on, alam mo yan, ikaw yun. Kaya, pre, thank you. Salamat. And I pray na marami pang blessing and abundant life na maranasan mo. So, God bless, pre, and enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Hi, Dennis. Kamusta na, pare ko? Happy birthday. Happy 58th birthday na pala sa'yo, pare. Kamusta na kayo dyan? Sana ay lagi kang nasa mabuting kalagayan dyan. At ito, nagkaedad ka na rin ng 50. Golden ka na rin, pare ko. At ingat sa health mo lagi. At regards na lang sa mga barkada dyan. Kanila Anthony. Miss ko na yung kapaluan natin dyan sa Rigay. Tsaka miss ko na kayo makalaro ng badminton. Ingat lang lagi dyan. At binabati kita ng golden birthday mo ngayon. Okay? Salamat sa ating pagkakilala dati. At ako ay nag-for good na. At wish you all the best there in Kuwait. Lagi kayo mag-iingat, lalo na sa health nyo. At thank you kay Doki sa pag-invite sa akin na gumawa ng video to at makashare sa iyong kaarawan. Maraming salamat at ingat lagi.
Happy birthday kay Dennis. I wish you a good health and a good life. Thank you for being a good person. We are lucky to have you as our friend. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya Dennis. Enjoy your day. Sana mas maging healthy ka pa at sana mas pagpalain ka pa ng Diyos. Nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng nagawa mo para sa aming lahat. Yun lang masasabi ko, Kuya. Happy birthday, Kuya.
Yo, pre, parang Dennis. Sabi nila birthday mo daw eh. Happy birthday ha. Di ako naniniwalang 50th mo na eh. Kasi ang alam ko pagdating ko dito sa Kuwait, 50 ka na. Pero pre, happy birthday ulit ha. Mag-exercise ka na. Bawasan mo yung belt bag mo. Masyadong puno. Yo, pre, happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Kuya!
Thank you for the gift of friendship and for being generous sa lahat sa amin sa Team Lamon. And I pray that God will continue to bless you and prosper you physically, emotionally, and financially. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! So, God bless kuya sa mga endeavors mo, sa mga future endeavors mo, sa mga plano mo. And may God protect you always and continue to guide you kahit umalis ka man dito sa Kuwait kung saan ka man pupunta. So, anyway, mabait na mabait to si Kuya Dennis. Alam naman nating lahat. So stay healthy and God bless. Bye.
Hi Dennis, happy birthday to you. Hope all your dreams and wishes come true. Maligayang bati sa iyong kaarawan. Sana mabusog mo kami. Happy birthday! Stay healthy, stay friendly, stay nice, be strong. Keep it up. Happy birthday.
When the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen, from Isaiah 60 verse 22. And finally, Kuya, it's happening, and I believe that on this 50th of yours, it will make it happen. Yung wish mo ng matagal, yung gusto mong maabot ng ilang taon, ay mangyayari na. And I'm happy for you and your family na sa wakas makakapunta ka na rin ng US. And I'm very thankful kasi nakilala kita as a friend sa badminton and at the same time as colleague sa Ministry of Health. You're such a humble person, down to earth.
Hi! Happy birthday, Kuya Dennis! Happy 50th birthday po! God bless you, Kuya! Many, many more birthdays to come, Kuya.
And more power to your kapugihan. Stay healthy and long-lasting kapugihan. Ulit-ulit. From Brutus and Papa.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Kuya Dennis. God bless you.
What's up, Madlang Kapuso? So we are here tonight gathered to celebrate our friend's birthday, Dennis, to celebrate his 50th golden birthday with us. I hope this will be a memorable and enjoyable night with him as we celebrate with him this milestone. You know, I met this kind-hearted soul way back 2012 when we are playing badminton together in Rigay, and even until up to now we are still playing together occasionally. And ang wish ko sa'yo, bro, ay sana ay soon you will realize the aspiration of your chosen profession as makapunta ka na ng United States together with your family. Sa haba-haba ng panahon na hindi mo sila nakasama, sana this time kasama mo naman sila doon. Okay? Happy birthday po ulit. Enjoy your day, special night. God bless you.
Para sa nagdiriwang ng kanilang kaarawan, happy birthday! Ang bati ko, ang bati namin sa iyo, nawa ay lumigaya ka.
Happy birthday, Kuya Dennis. Enjoy your day. No bashing, just for fun.
So, ayan nga po. Birthday na ni Busing, Kuya Dennis. Happy birthday po sa'yo. Sana po ay lagi kang healthy and wish you all the best. Good luck sa iyong future journey with your family. And stay happy and contented. We love you. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy 50th birthday, Dennis Boy. Grabe. Di ka naman mukhang 50, mukhang 49 lang. Wish you all the best sa trabaho mo, sa family mo sa Pilipinas. Nag-iisa lang Dennis na kilala kong magaling mag-badminton. Saka masipag maghatid, tsaka magsundo sa mga tropa. Salamat at sa kabutihan mo sa buhay ng mga tropa mo, sa kay Anton, kay Donna, sa buong family sa badminton. At sana kapag nasa States ka na, huwag mo kami kakakalimutan, ha? Wish you all the luck, bro. God bless always. Happy birthday.
Hello po, Tito Dennis. Happy birthday. I just wanted to wish you safety and health po palagi. Thank you for always being supportive and sweet and kind, Tito. Keep being you po. We will always be here to support you, and thank you po for everything. Sana you will enjoy your birthday and more birthdays to come po.
Kuya Dennis, happy birthday. Enjoy your 50th birthday. Ay, bumabata ka lalo. Happy birthday, Kuya Dennis. God bless you always.
Happy birthday, Dennis! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ilang taon ka na, bro? Sikreto yan, ha? Na malupit, ha? Joke. I wish you all the best. And then, syempre, number 1, yung health. Dapat, diba? Long life. Okay, bro. Happy birthday. Bye-bye. God bless. Mwah.
Hello. Happy birthday, Kuya Dennis.
Yo, pre, parang Dennis. Sabi nila birthday mo daw eh. Happy birthday, ha. Hindi nga ako naniniwalang 50th mo na eh. Kasi ang alam ko, pagdating ko dito sa Kuwait, 50 ka na. Pero pre, happy birthday ulit. Mag-exercise ka na. Bawasan mo yung belt bag mo. Masyadong puno. Eh pre, happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Kuya Dennis. Be a good boy. Tapos na.
Hi, Dennis. Happy 50th birthday sa'yo. O, diba, 50th birthday mo na. Sana maging masaya at mag-enjoy ka ngayong birthday mo. And masarapan ka sa food na ipinipare natin. And mga pangarap mo sa life, matupad lahat. Especially yung pagpunta mo sa ibang lugar, sana matupad na yan soon. We will miss you pag nangyari yan, but let's not talk about it yet. Ang mahalaga, yung birthday mo ngayon, mag-enjoy ka, and pagdasal natin lahat ng iyong mga kahilingan. Okay? God bless you, and be happy lang. Bye!
Pre, nung nabubuhay ka pa, ay, sorry, kasi nalito ako dun sa invitation eh. Parang kulang na lang kasi, kalapate. Anyway, joke lang. Happy birthday, pre, and I love you so much, and I wish you to have a very happy birthday this day, kasi you deserve it. Napakabuti mong tao, inside out. Maraming salamat sa mga tulong mo sa amin, sa mga tulong mo sa ibang tao. Kahit naluloko ka na ng ibang tao, pero nandiyan ka pa din, masaya, at hindi tumitigil sa pagtulong. Kaya maraming salamat sa pagkakaibigan natin. At mahal na mahal kita bilang kumpare ko. At wish ko matupad yung pangarap mo na alam mo yan, and alam namin yun. Siyempre, makasama yung pamilya mo sa ibang lugar. At makaalis ka na rin para matupad na yung dream mo. And kasi siyempre, pinaghirapan mo yun ng husto. Kaya God bless, pre. And mamimiss ka namin kapag umalis ka na. And habang nandito ka, let's make a lot of memories together while you are here. And maraming salamat sa pagkakaibigan, pre. And I love you so much. We love you so much. And more blessings to come. Happy birthday, pre.
Hi, Tito Dennis. Happy birthday. God bless. I hope you have a good birthday, and I hope you take care of yourself, and I hope you have a lot of gifts so you like your gifts, so your friends give you a nice gift.
How about you?
Good birthday to Dennis. God bless, and don't put me as Jackson because I'm going to go in your party, and my mom thinks so. She thinks so. I'm not big enough to go in your party.
Happy birthday, Tito Dennis. Take care.
Happy birthday, Kuya Dennis. I wish you all the best and good health. It's been a long time na magkasama tayo sa mga mga charity project natin. God bless you, Kuya. Happy birthday.
Hello, hi. So, I'm on my way to the airport. I'll be flying back to Europe na kasi you know naman that's where I live. But anyway, I might be back to Kuwait after a week or so. So, I might be able to attend your birthday. But anyway, I would like to greet you at the happiest birthday. I hope you're having fun. I hope you had fun. Anyway, I have taken care of everything naman na. And hopefully I might be able to make it. Anyway, I wish you a happiest birthday, and may all your wishes in life come true and everything else. You deserve it. Of all people, you deserve it. I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. I love you, Kuya Dance. Happy birthday.
Hello, Kuya Dennis. Happy 50th birthday. And sana wish namin sa pinakamabait na taong nakilala ko dito sa buong Kuwait at sa buong mundo. In my lifetime, ikaw ang pinakamabait talaga na nakilala kong tao. Napaka matulungin, napaka pasensyoso, napaka humble. Ngayon, ang wish lang namin sana matupad lahat ng mga pangarap mo, and soon you'll be na matupad mo yung madala mo yung mga family mo sa Amerika. Family pala, isang family. Tapos yun, wish you good health and ka magbabago. See you later, Kuya. Happy birthday.
Hoy, Dines, birthday mo pala. Kaya latang 50 ka na. Happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo ay sana matupad yung mga pangarap mo. Gang, gang.
Kapatid, happy birthday sa'yo. Golden boy ka na. I wish the wish you wish. Ingat ka palagi. God bless.
Happy birthday, Tito Dennis!
Happy birthday sa pogi kong anak. Nag-iisang anak na lalaki, kaya ikaw ang pinaka-pogi. Oh, tumatanda ka na rin. 50 years old, golden. Oh, tamo, hindi kami hihingi ng pera sa'yo ngayon. Babati lang talaga. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, bye! Bye! Happy birthday! Ingat!
Hi, Daddy! Wish you a happy birthday! I hope you enjoy this day with your friends and colleagues. And I love you, Daddy. You are the best dad in the whole wide world. Thank you for always there for us. I love you. You are the great dad ever. I love you. And you treat us well. You care for us. And thank you for that. I love you. Mwah. Papa.
Hi, Daddy! Happy birthday! I miss you so much, De. Sana enjoy ka ngayon sa birthday mo kasama mga friends mo. Sana andyan kami kasama ka. I love you talaga, De. Blessed talaga kami na ikaw yung dad namin. Sobrang miss na kita, De. Love you. Happy birthday, Daddy. Your love has been the guiding light in my life. And you're the one who shaped me for who I am today. I miss you so much and I love you so much. I wish you a happy birthday and I wish you're happy. Miss na po kita. I will do everything to make you proud. Happy birthday! I love you!
Happy birthday, babes! Wish ko lang syempre, good health and long life. Thankful ako, ikaw binigay ni God sa akin. Thank you for all my first. I love you. Happy birthday ulit!